Are you weak?
Yes.
Do you get bullied everywhere?
No.
Do you get bullied everywhere?
Yes.
Do you want to get strong?
Yes. Do you want to get strong like me?
Everybody wants.
Well, you have come to the right place. I am going to be a professional trainer. In these 2 episodes, I'm going to tell you how to develop your abdominal muscles and how to get rock hard abs. This one episode is going to include all the basic exercises. Number 1, high stepping. Number 2, jumping jacks. Number 3, mountain climber. And number 4, heel touch. This is how you do high stepping exercise, the first basic. Run on the spot with your knees as high as you can. That's how you do it. This is how you do jumping jacks. Just jump while acting like a jack. I don't know what that means. Just look at me. That it? Yeah. Now I'm going to show you how to do mountain climbing. You don't have to climb every mountain. Just do as I'm doing. In the position for a push-up. That's it. Heel touch is the last. This is easy, but all of these are easy. Just do as I am doing. Touch your heels, as the exercise name says. You look weird like I'm looking, but it will help you. That's it. Thanks for watching this video, and now all you gotta do is go home and do your exercises, get strong, and don't kill anyone. Please watch more of our videos, like, share and subscribe, and practice.